to square off against Iran in the opening match.
9 goals in 22 games. Him in that partnership in the midfield with...
Just being good on the ball to making them forward runs to then do...
There are obviously lots of empty seats. You can see that for yourselves, and apparently...
Became a soccer player, now playing in the World Cup. He is going to be called upon tonight.
You have to.
Yeah. England win all round?
Yes.
We're going to say that.
Aren't novices, far from it. Experienced anthems. Saka, who's formed for Premier League leaders Arsenal this season. Somebody else in there. Quality comes from striker Mehdi Taremi of FC Porto. People in particular to see that inclusivity is very important.
As they can for England, but it's up to the likes of...
And in the England camp. Well, that one's too deep. England are asking the question.
Well, they should be.
The Brazilians
putting into defenders, making rash decisions like that.
Out of the noise you can hear around the... Over towards Saka. Right, spent the entire game in the Iran half so far. Kane took up a lovely position. Baron Van got a hand to it. And Maguire, not enough of his foot to it to angle it back in between the posts. The blood's coming. Chance for Gareth Southgate to have a word with Declan Rice, and he down for this long.
Yeah,
you can't take chances after this, surely.
I don't think so, no.
Understandably, he's wanting to give it. Captain Haj Safi has never...
His last involvement was to save his team a goal.
Guralahi. He's got the crossover. Maguire. Maguire. Return to Rice by Shaw, who was then caught by a particularly vociferous... Kane was hoping he might just be able to slip away. Saka. For Saka. Finding him too. Saka. Into Sterling. Getting it round the corner for Saka.
And here, look, making his run inside. And the movement from Mason...
Over to Trippier. Kane. It's over the head of Saka. In from Trippier. And he's headed against the frame of the goal. Maguire got there despite the wrestling going on. Off to Sterling. Shaw. And it's in from Bellingham. What a moment for the 19-year-old. What a moment for England. His first out of the match. It might just mean that Iran have to change their emphasis a little bit. Certainly. Now it's happened on the biggest stage that football can offer.
He just adds...
Kane. Bellingham. Ball back to him. Maguire under pressure, managed to get it back. Too strong for Saka. Hussein. In from Shaw, he's looking for Maguire. He gets it down to Saka! Another young lion roars at the World Cup. Looking for Sterling! 1, 2, 3 and easy for England. They're rolling in now.